Hey, what's up guys? It's Parker from KP The Ultimate Channel, and today I'm going to be building some Legos, but not just any type of Legos. Me and Caleb love to play Fortnite Battle Royale, so maybe we'll do some Fortnite videos. But today I'm going to be showing you 4 easy people to make. Hopefully it's easy for you. I'm going to be making the Reaper, Moonwalker, Desperado, and the Blue Square. First I'm going to do the Desperado. First you're going to need this piece right here, which is just black pants. Then you can use the Lego Ninjago person, or you can use anything that has some cool red stuff right here. Then you have to remove the arms and put some tan arms on him. They look white, but they're tan actually. Here, let me do this. Is that better? It's okay, but whatever. Then you're gonna need a bandana to put on. Or if you don't want the bandana on, you can use one of the hats from the Lone Ranger set that has the hair, because he also has the hair. You can use any type of face. I just used a stern face, and I just pop it in like that. And you just put a hat on top of him. And there, you guys have the first Desperado Fortnite Battle Royale minifigure. Now we're going to make the Reaper. Again, you're going to need black pants. You're going to need a suit, like from the Lex Luthor Superman set. You're gonna need a face with a beard. I could only find, this face is from the Lone Ranger set too, but I could only find this beard, but it's not black though, which will be okay, I guess. And then you're gonna need some hair that's pulled back, like this. I mean, I guess you can use a Superman hair, but you should use this one, or like hair that's pulled back. And there's your Reaper, guys. Let me fill it again. Next, we're going to do the Blue Square. My favorite person in all of Fortnite Battle Royale. So you're going to need brown pants. But if you guys have the medieval knight sets, well, then you're going to need to use one of these torsos. You're going to have to take the hands out, put some tan hands in. Or you guys can use the yellow. So I got the Hawkeye face right here, but I turned it around so it looks like this, but you don't see how mad he is. You get one of these, I'm pretty sure one of these helmets from I got this from the Harry Potter set, one of my Harry Potter sets, or you can use another type of helmet. It doesn't matter to me, but there's what the Blue Square looks like. Except that he doesn't have his shield. That's what I'm thinking of. So there you have your Blue Square there too. Now, guys, we're off to do the Moonwalker. So you're going to need either white pants with gray or here, or just regular white pants. Then you're going to need an astronaut suit right here. I mean, you can make your own backpack, or you could just use one of these. I just used one of these, because you also need a backpack for her. And I just got this face from the Lone Ranger. Dang, I get a lot of stuff from my Lone Ranger. She either has a stern face on or a regular face on. But I don't have a girl with glasses too. And then you're just going to need a helmet. Then you're probably going to find maybe either a clear one or a gold one like this. And then you just pop it on and you lift it up like that. And there you have your Moonwalker. So guys, I think I'm going to end the video right there. Oh, I forgot. You guys can also make a gun. I made a hand cannon maybe. I just found this Minecraft pickaxe. Regular pistol. And maybe like a slurp juice or a mini shield. So you guys can make all that easy stuff in almost less than 5 minutes. So guys, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you guys liked the video. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button for more ultimate things. And I will see you guys next video.